I'm Michael from Nordic Trident. When you purchased your ladder grip, it's delivered in a box like this. When you open the box, you will find the user manual for the ladder grips. You also find a strap that you can put the clamps together so you can use your hands in a more useful way. I'll show you how to mount these. On each clamp you have a ring, so pull through the strap, put the end of the strap through the lock, put them apart, and then you can hang them on your shoulders like this. In this way you can easily climb, safely climb, with the clamps hanging, and you can use both hands. On each clamp you also have a carabiner which you can put on a harness or in a loop in your clothing in some good way. For more instructions, watch our instruction movies on www.nordictrident.se.